Hi there. Let's do 7 plus 8 parentheses. 7 plus 8. Starting with the parentheses, I have 7 plus 8, and inside the parentheses there's a 15. Then if I do 7 plus 8, that's 15 also. And so I have 15 times 15. That's 15 squared, which is 225. Except that is incorrect because I did not follow the order of operations. So to review that, you have to start inside the parentheses first, which I did. Then you would do any exponents, which I don't have. Then you have to do your multiplying and dividing in order from left to right. And that has to happen before you can add and subtract again in order from left to right. So that was my mistake. Right here, I started with the parentheses, but then I went to adding when I should have done that multiplication. So let's cover that up, and we're going to redo it. So I have 7 plus 8 times 15. So that's going to be 7 plus 120. And the correct answer is 127.